inequalities. Now, people, you know about equations. Now, equations tell that a number or quality or quantity, I should say, is equal to another. But the inequality, they tell that one quantity is greater than another or less than another. So that is what the inequality says. So I could say x is greater than 3. This is how I write it. No, yeah. This is how I write it. And this part greater really mean bigger, even though it's a greater. And the 3 is smaller. It's like a bird. The bird see 2 food. A big food and a small food. So the bird turn its beak to the bigger food because it wants to eat more, and turn its back to the smaller food. So that is the sign that shows that this is bigger than this. Whatever is in front of the bird beak is bigger. You see that? So that means x is greater than 3. This is the same thing as saying 3 is less than x. So this one say x is greater than 3. That is what they say. X is greater than 3. Now, here, I could say too that I want to write x is less than 3. Suppose I write that. How I write it is this: x is less than 3. X is smaller than 3. So the bird turns back to x, the smaller food, and open its beak to 3, the bigger food. So x less than 3 means the same as 3 is greater than x. Now back up to this. This, you know, it says x is greater than 3. But it is also saying that 3 is less than x. Right? But when you say 3 is less than x, because we read from left to right, you normally want to put the 3 first and you say less than x. Because we read what we read that way. So the first thing come on the left and the next thing come on the right. You see that? Now, this one says x is less than 3. Alright. It means the same thing, you know. as 3 is greater than x. But normally if you write 3 is greater than x, you put the 3 first, then the greater sign, and the x. You see that? Now, suppose you have this inequality, x is greater than 3, and you put down some numbers. You say -1, that is not in it, because -1 is less than 3 and it's supposed to be greater. 0, no way, that is not one of the numbers. 1, wrong. 1 is not supposed to be x, one of the values of x, because we're looking at values of x. Is 2 a value of x? No, because 2 is less than 3 and we want numbers greater than 3. What about 3? No, it must be greater than 3, not equal to 3. When you come to 4, you say, yeah. 5, oh yes, that is one of the values of x. 6, yes, that is one of the values of x. So 4 is greater than 3, and you want x is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3, and you want x is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3, and what you want is x greater than 3. So you see, alright. Now you can actually represent that on a graph. See that? Or you can use a line with the numbers and arrows on it. Suppose you have this line. I want a black line. And you have the numbers on the line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. You also have 5, 6, and so on and so forth. Here, those are the numbers you have on the line. Here now, to show this on the line, x is greater than 3, we're going to draw a line above 3 and use an open circle, and put an open circle on top of the line, and you do like this. The open circle means that 3 is not one of the numbers. So this is showing that x is greater than 3. You see that? Alright. Now, suppose 3 was in it. 3 was one of the numbers. How you would write that? You say x is greater than or equal to 3, because 3 is one of the numbers. So you say x can be equal to 3, but x can also be greater than 3. So the numbers, the set of numbers start with 3. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Now, the next question is, how do you represent that with the line? We see, put on the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on and so forth. But we're looking at 3. So we draw a line above 3. Alright, good. Now, what to do is use a circle and we shade the circle. Why we shade the circle? Why do we shade the circle? Because 3 is one of the numbers, so 3 is included in it. Now, here, look, this is x greater than 3. 3 is not included. Use an open circle. X is greater than or equal to 3. 3 is included. You use a shaded circle. Alright, that is how you do this. You see that? So, that is what we're looking at for now. Next time, we'll look some more at inequalities.